today we're going to talk about the Wienerberger house, where EnOcean sensors are being used together with our partners from LivingMap and from IBM to make a smart building solution.
So despite all of the hype currently surrounding smart homes, demand is really still only coming from tech enthusiasts. And why is that? Firstly, it's complicated to install smart home technology in the home itself. There's so many different solutions to choose from. And there's a whole load of different apps once you do install that to try and control all of the smart home technology around your home, so the experience isn't particularly good. And then finally, it's really expensive as well to buy and install this technology yourself. So what we really need, what people really need, is the ability to move into a home that's already smart from the outset. The E4 House is a complete housing solution. You get the digital model and supply chain all come readily made. But it's the occupant experience that we're really interested in today.
Yeah, one of the obviously the task we had always had in mind is the maintenance, the aftercare of the house, and obviously hence while we've been collaborating with IBM and trying to use the latest technology, the IoT sensors, using the IBM Watson, and using the analytics to understand properly the house, the ongoing costs, things like linking the sensors to the geometry of the actual asset model, which is developed obviously throughout the BIM process.
One thing that's important for lots of people is energy management and be able to reduce energy bills. So it may be that you have your window open whilst the heating is on, maybe to dry some washing without it getting too humid. But maybe it's better to use your tumble dryer instead. And all these different data points are not things that we can really have the time or the ability to process as people. So what we really need is an AI system that can bring all those data points together and give us actions that we can then take to reduce our energy consumption, our energy bills, in a simple and understandable way.
LivingMap is a digital map and data platform that makes it really easy to access real-time information about any kind of built environment. It enables builders and property businesses to transform their occupants' experience and improve operational efficiencies and thus reduce costs. Here at the E4 House, we've partnered with Wienerberger and IBM to provide a really intuitive, simple interface that enables us to produce and visualize the data that's coming from EnOcean's IoT sensors here at the house. Those sensors include CO2, temperature, humidity, and also motion sensors across the building. We believe that giving occupants access to that information helps them make better, faster decisions and provides peace of mind about security in their home. This opens the door to making improvements in energy efficiency, timely maintenance, and gives you additional peace of mind, making sure that you know who's in your building, what doors are open, and what windows are open at any given time via a mobile view.
The way we see it going future is to further develop the E4 house concept towards what it potentially could be BIM level 3 within the housing. So it means linking the IoT sensors to the actually common data environment, looking at how we can link it with the geolocation, with the stuff like GeoConnect, GeoBIM, and working the way towards the kind of a holy grail, which is called the level 3, which obviously will automatically, the house will behave like a light user, so it will interact with the actual asset owner.
So from today's video you can see that smart homes are very, very possible. However, they can't be done without some form of sensing. And the EnOcean sensors offer a very, very simple approach for people to actually install these due to the fact they have no batteries and there is no wires required. EnOcean is a very well-proven product range. It's used now in about 400,000 buildings worldwide and very, very extensively available throughout Europe, US, China and Japan. There's also a very, very large alliance membership which allows users to actually buy a considerable number of other products, giving you a good breadth of style and requirements, making it ideal for the smart building of today.